What is it? Can you stand up? Stand up now.
Since yesterday I've been sleeping under the bridge.
Jesus.
Please help me. I just came into Lagos yesterday.
Serious?
I slept under the bridge too.
Okay. Stand up, please. Stand up.
Please help me.
What is the problem?
Okay. As I'm talking to you now, my father is lying critical in the hospital. The doctor said they need 1 million for surgery.
Oh God.
Okay, that one is not enough for my only son. My only son is down. He's very, very sick. Please, I need help. He's still in the hospital too. Everything is on my head. I don't have anybody, no uncle, no brother, no sister in this Lagos. I've not eaten anything this morning. I've not eaten anything. Please help me.
Let me not just waste your time, eh? I don't have cash here, but I don't know if I can see POS around.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see any POS around. Then I'll just give you something. I don't have much.
Okay. Maybe that junction.
No, with POS.
Yes.
You didn't come on Sunday. Why they don't come again?
Oh my dear, no verse for me, Jerry. I wanted to come on Sunday, but I ran into one small issue.
I told you wait. I wanted to meet somebody.
You, another person. You know you were talking about one relationship. Was it the okay? Oh yeah, I know Allah. You know, I didn't know I would even realize.
Baby.
How are you?
Fine. Good afternoon. Baby.
What is it? Can you stand up? Stand up now.
Since yesterday I've been sleeping under the bridge.
Jesus.
Please help me. I just came into Lagos yesterday.
How are you?
I'm good.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. How is your father now?
Father?
Yes, and your son.
I don't have a child.
Right?
Ask him. Do you know me? He's asking you.
I don't know him. Have we met before?
God will help me and punish you.
Please, sir, you are insulting me and I don't like it. Have we met before? Yes or no?
I see what is going on here. My eyeglass is not medicated though.
Please, I don't understand. Why is he insulting me? I don't understand.
I'm confused. What's going on here?
Oga, let me explain. Hello. You say you don't know me.
Okay, I don't know you. I've not met you guys. Maybe I don't know him now. I don't know you. Have we met before? I asked you a question. You said no.
On Sunday.
Sunday care.
The same you I saw that ran into me, hold my leg and be begging me that.
I'm in Lagos on Sunday. Baby, is it not just today I came in here?
I thought so. You are worse than a liar. You are an equal soup. That's what you are.
I don't know you. I swear to God. Have we met before?
Yeah.
Because yes, it's not.
Just shut up! Shut the hell up! They have not changed up to now.
Baby,
What's your problem?
I swear, I don't know him.
What do you mean? What's her problem? Like you know her to be like this.
Is there anything you want I don't give to you? Are you lacking anything? Eh? Why are you embarrassing me every day by day? Micah, I'm sorry. This is how you go around begging for money. Embarrassing me every day.
And it's not like you don't give her money.
I give her money every day. There's nothing she's lacking.
Hello.
I pray she change.
Baby, I'm sorry. I will not do it again. I'm so sorry. It will never happen again. Please forgive me. I will not do it. I swear to God, I will not do it again.
Hey, don't shut up. Man, come here. Let me have some change so I can go and date somebody outside.
Okay, no problem. We'll go out together now. No problem. Okay.
Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I will not do it again,
Could somebody be lying with your family? Lying.
Baby, I'm sorry. Yes.
It's okay, no problem. I understand, it's fine.
Please, can you help me with 50,000? I want to swallow spanner. I need urgent money, 50,000. Please, can you help me?
Jimmy! Come on, carry me for long! Jimmy!
Spanner.
You are going to your house. Jimmy! You go to
Spanner.
Spanner! I thought you are things!
50,000, please just go and borrow me, I will give you back.
Will you fire? Come out! Fire! Holy Ghost fire!
It's fine now.
You are leaving my friend's house today.